Hello everybody, this is Atoshi and welcome back to the channel Atoshi'sEdulore English for All. And I am Atoshi, your English language trainer. We have been discussing the common idioms which are used in our day-to-day conversation. And the 20th idiom of the day is as busy as a bee. This phrase is originated from the bees, as bees are the hard workers. They help the plants in pollination. When we find someone very busy, or rather someone who is very active, we can call him or her as busy as a bee. It is difficult to get a glimpse of hers. She is as busy as a bee. He is as busy as a bee, trying to put up things in order. Joseph didn't visit his relatives, as he is as busy as a bee nowadays. We have become as busy as a bee. We don't have time to pause and relax. That's what the modern life is. Hey, what's up? Long time no see. Oh, I was as busy as a bee. So here we come to the end of this video, and you have some interesting sentences using the idiom as busy as a bee. Now it's your turn to frame sentences and put it in the comments section. I'll be again back with another idiom, but don't forget to like, share and subscribe.